Hey guys, it's MrJikser here, back again with another video. And in today's video, I'm doing a unboxing of what I just received in the post. And let's get started. So here's the box. It come today, just a few minutes ago, like at 12 o'clock. And it is Wednesday the 27th of March 2024, and here's the box. I'm back, it was just a door. And let's get started with the video again. So, received this today, just now, pretty much. Let's open it up. Bear with me. I got it. Here it is. Bear with me 1 second. And here it is. It's a video game. It's a graded and also a sealed game. It is on a Nintendo 3DS. It's Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story plus Bowser Jr.'s Journey. UK version 2019. And it's a mint gold uncirculated. It's a 95 plus from UK Graders. ukgraders.com. And here it is. I do have other sealed and graded games as well. I'll probably make another video about that soon to give you an update on how many I got. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It's been a while since I did my last video. But I do Call of Duty videos as well when I stream off my PS5. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.